Model 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290 front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi Limited needs turbo long MOT body, blue, panel van mileage, 187855 MOT, the 27th of September 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Well looked after features: part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, reversing camera EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.